Here's a great alternative to the classic short crust pastry using plain flour. Instead of plain flour, I like to use wholemeal flour, and instead of butter, I'm going to show you how to make a pastry using a light, good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil. So 250 grams of our wholemeal flour, I'm going to pop it straight onto my board. You can do this in a food processor if you like, but I wanted to do this by hand. And I'm going to make a well in the centre. I'll also add a generous pinch of salt and 60 mils of the lighter flavoured extra virgin olive oil. I like to use the lighter version because I want that subtle flavour. So this is the perfect match for my pastry. Perfect. We'll drizzle that into the well along with some water, about 100 to 120 mils of water. Always leave a little back, and then with your hands slowly bring in the sides and then just keep mixing it in until we start to form a dough. Okay, this dough has come together nicely, and just like any short crust pastry, it does need to rest. So just wrap it in some Glad wrap and pop that in the fridge for 1 hour before rolling it out and then setting in your mould. And here's one that I've pre-cooked. You can see how fantastic this olive oil dough is. It sets nicely, it's crispy, and it's ready to be filled with whatever you like to make a delicious quiche.